What's up, guys? This is Mark here, Wired Kustoms Motorsports. This is for a 1987 Chevrolet Truck. Behind the rear chairs there, it's 312s, wrapped in the exact color that the truck is. It's ported. And we also flushed in the terminal over here. Flush mounted in. Got some cool little lines right there, and we also added some lines right there. 1987, which is that body style right there, square body. If you guys have any questions or would like to speak to me personally, you can reach out 682-500-0209. Again, Mark, Wired Kustoms Motorsports, Cleburne, Texas. Thank you.